Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we're learning lesson 43 from Sipo Rian An textbook by Pan Sataran. Lesson 43 in Khmer we say Mê Rian Tí Sai Sập Bay. It's on page 47. In this lesson we are learning to read another set of words that end with consonant ngor. On this page we're going to read the consonant, the sound of the vowel, the ending consonant ngor, and then the word. Okay, let's start with words that combine with the vowels a and end with consonant ngor. Mo I mi ngo min. Lo I li ngo lin. Now words that combine with the vowels and end with consonant ngor. Đo đ ngo đằng. Ro r ngo rừng. For words that combine with the vowels o and end with consonant ngor. Mo mu ngo mùng. Cho ngo chong. Thu ngo thùng. For words that combine with the vowels o and end with consonant ngor. Đo đo ngo đồn. Ru ru ngo rung. Chu ngo chung. For words that combine with the vowels u and end with consonant ngor. Lo lua ngo luong. Cho chua ngo chuồng. Kho khua ngo khuong. For words that combine with the vowels ao and end with consonant ngor. Okay. Yo yơ ngo yường. Cho chơ ngo chờn. Po pa ngo pang. This first picture reads thong sang and the second picture reads dong. Okay, so now let's look at this lesson in more detail. Okay, first let's look at combining the secondary consonant with the vowels a and ending with consonant ngor. For the secondary consonant, the vowels a change its sound to e or e and then consonant ngor. So e ngo in. Okay, now let's practice reading these words. Mo I mi ngo min. Lo I li ngo lin. To I ti ngo tin. Po I pi ngo pin. Po I pi ngo pin. Ro I ri ngo rin. Combining the first series consonant with the vowels and end with consonant ngor. The vowels are or and consonant ngor. Ngor ung. Okay, so now let's practice reading these words. Đo d ngor đằng. Kho k ngor khằng. Cho ch ngor chằng. To t ngor đằng. Bo b ngor bằng. Po p ngor phẳng. Nọ n ngor nằng. So s ngor sằng. O ngor ằng. Combining the second series consonant with the vowels and end with consonant ngor. For the second series consonant, the vowels change its sound to okay, and then consonant ngor. So ngor ung. Okay, so now let's practice reading this word. Ro r ngor rừng. Cho ch ngor chừng. To t ngor tầng. Thổ t ngor thừng. Nọ n ngor nừng. Bộ p ngor bằng. Po p ngor phẳng. Mo m ngor mừng. Vô v ngor vâng. Combining the first series consonant with the vowels o and end with consonant ngor. Okay. the vowels are o or o, and then consonant ngo. O, o ngo, ong. Okay, so let's practice reading this word. Cho o cho, cho ngo, chong. Ko o ko, ko ngo, kong. Ko o ko, ko ngo, kong. Cho o cho, cho ngo, chong. To o to, to ngo, tong. Po o po, po ngo, pong. So o so, so ngo, song. Ho o ho, ho ngo, hong. O o o, o ngo, ong. Combining the second series consonant with the vowels o and ending with consonant ngo. Okay, for the second series consonant, the vowels o change its sound to u, and then consonant ngo. So u ngo, ong. Okay, so let's practice reading these words. Mo u mu, mu ngo, mong. Tu u tu, tu ngo, tung. Tu u tu, tu ngo, tung. Pu u pu, pu ngo, bong. Ru u ru, ru ngo, rong. Lu u lu, lu ngo, lung. Combining the first series with the vowels o and ending with consonant ngo. Okay, so o or o and then consonant ngo. O, o ngo, ong. Now let's practice reading these words. Do, do, do ngo, dong. Ko, ko, ko ngo, kong. To, to, to ngo, tong. Po, po, po ngo, pong. Lo, lo, lo ngo, long. Combining the second series consonant with the vowels o and ending with consonant ngo. For the second series consonant, the vowels o change its sound to u or u. Okay, and then the consonant ngo. So u, u ngo, ung. Okay, so now let's practice reading these words. Ru u ru, ru ngo, rung. Chu u chu, chu ngo, chung. Ngu u ngu, ngu ngo, ngung. Tu u tu, tu ngo, tung. Mu u mu, mu ngo, mung. Combining consonant with the vowels u and ending with consonant ngo. Please note that u does not change its sound between the first and the second series consonant. Okay, and then consonant ngo here. So u, u ngo, uong. Okay, so now let's practice reading these words. Lo u lua, lua ngo, luong. Jo u chua, chua ngo, chuong. Ko u khua, khua ngo, khuong. Do u đua, đua ngo, đuồng. Bo u bua, bua ngo, buồng. Pu u pua, pua ngo, puồng. So u xua, xua ngo, xuồng. Ho u hua, hua ngo, huồng. Combining the first series consonant with the vowels ao and ending with consonant ngo. Ao or ao and consonant ngo. So ao, ao ngo, ang. Okay, so now let's practice reading these words. Po ao pao, pao ngo, pang. Ko ao cao, cao ngo, càng. Lo ao lao, lao ngo, lang. Combining the second series consonant with the vowels ao and ending with consonant ngo. For the second series consonant, the vowels ao change the sound to or and then consonant ngo. So ngo, ung. Okay. So now let's read these words. Yo yơ, yơ ngo, dường. Cho chơ ngo, chừng. To tơ ngo, tường. Po pơ ngo, pờn. Lo lơ ngo, lợn. Here is a list of all the words that we have just read, okay? So in this section, we're going to read these words without sounding them, okay? Mín, lín, tín, pín, pín, rín, khấn, chấn, đấng, tấn, bấn, phấn, nấn, sấn, ẩn, trứng, tấn, thấn, nấn, bấn, phấn, mấn, rấn, vâng, cống, khống, trống, trống, tống, phóng, sống, hóng, ong, túng, thúng, búng, múng, rúng, lủng, khốn, đốn, tốn, phốn, lộn, ngúng, trúng, túng, muống, rung, khuống, chuống, đuống, buống, phuống, xuống, luồng, cỡng, phỡng, lợn, trướng, tướng, bướng, dưỡng, and learn. Now let's look at the vocabulary. Mín means aunt or younger sister of either parent. Lín means to roast in a pot, toast grains or nuts, but not bread, or to brown with or without oil. Example is garlic or grains. Tín means to tumble head first or turn a somersault. Ping means sound produced by objects falling or hitting each other like bang. Ring means to dry up, evaporate, or to wither. Khăng means to be angry at. Chang means to cook vegetable, fruit, or dried fish in sugar until the sugar is caramelized and coats the vegetable, fruit, or fish. Dang means to know a fact, to be aware of, to be familiar with, to understand, comprehend, to notice, or to recognize. Dang means to be taut, tight, tense, firm, rigid, stiff, tough, unyielding, inflexible, stern, strict, or recalcitrant. Bung means lake, pond, pool, or lagoon. Chung means to be noiseless, silent, quiet, still, or motionless. This symbol again means that we need to read the word before it twice. So in this case, we would read dung dung, which means sound made by something falling or by striking a tight drum head. Nung means with, by means of, for, against, from, attached to, as, to be fixed, steady, from, stable, still, stagnant, unchanging, to be balanced, or in equilibrium. Bung means to ask for a favor or help, to depend or count on, resort to, or to lean and rely on something with all one's might. Pung means sound of a rope or string snapping, twanging sound. Rung means to be hard, firm, tough, stiff, stubborn, difficult, or insensitive. Vung means at top speed, very fast, or so quickly. Gong means to cheat, swindle, grandfather, bank account, measure of area of about 40 acres, to be curved, crooked, bend, curving, flex, to be longer or long of a route. Again, this sign here or symbol means we have to read the word before it twice. So in this case, we would read kong kong, which means sound coughing. Zhong means end, tip, farthest point, top, peak, apex, or limit. Chung means to brew, steep, or make an infusion. Dong means portion of the winnings given to the organizer of a gambling game. Pong means to bog down, sink in, go under, to fall into a hole, to fall into the hands of the enemy, to vanish, disappear, to hide oneself, to sew using a whip stitch. Hong means reel, spool, to turn or roll up. Dong means pelican or sound of a gunshot or explosion. Tong means a large barrel, can, bucket, tank, or box. Mung is mosquito net or bed curtains. Long means to dig a hole, drill, bore, hollow out, chisel, gouge, dig out, or excavate. Kong means to be sunken, hollow, concave, or crater. Dong means coconut. Dong means sound of an object falling or thud. Pong means a loud noise, bank, herd, flocks, or school of fish. Long means very loudly. Chung means gulf, bay, cove, corner, or a kind of a hearted shaped pillow used in a traditional game. It is usually played by two sides, one of boys and one of girls. Each side throws the chung to the others and they scramble for it. The one who gets the chung goes to a neutral area and may hit the thrower with the chung. Dong means to beat a drum, strike, hit with a club or mallet. Mong means sound of a large gong. Rung means hole, cave, burrow, or tunnel. Kuang means to drill a hole with a brace or bit, to bore with a drill. Juang means bell. Duang means essence, core, or central part. Buang means to make a knot, bun of the hair, tie, lace up, roll up of an elephant's trunk. Puang means garland, bouquet, bunch, bracelet, necklace of flowers. Luang means to comfort, console, calm, cheer up, to influence, cajole, wheedle, coax, flatter, or to entice. Pang means vase, large pot, flower pot, or large container. Lang means to go up, ascend, to take off, to rise, to get up, to climb, to get on, or board, or to go upstream. Jung means foot, leg, base, bottom, edge, immediate vicinity, or north. Bung means to protrude, bulge, or to stick out. Yeung means we, us, or our. Leung means to dig up or uproot. Tong sang means gasoline barrel or tank. This lesson is on page 47. 47 in Khmer we say Sai Sap Prampi. Please take out a piece of paper and a pencil and learn how to write some of the words from lesson 43. Okay? Start with Ming. Mo. Mo sra'ay. It's kind of too long here. Sra'ay, change its sound to sra'y. So mo I mi, mingo, ming. Okay. Right, ling. Lo. Lo sra'ay. Sra'ay, change its sound to sra'y. So lo I li, lingo, ling. Now write đằng, đó. Đó sẽ đỡ, đỡ ngó đằng. Okay. Now write rung. Ro. Sra. Sra. Change the sound to sra. So ro ru ngo rung. Write mong. Mo. Mo sra. Sra. Change the sound to sra. So mo mu. Mu ngo mong. Okay. Ngo. Now write chong. Jaw. Jaw sra. Chok. Chok ngo chong. Okay. Now write thong. Tho. Tho sra. Sra. Change the sound to sra. So to tu. Tu ngo thong. Now write dong. Đó. Đo sra. Đố. Đồn ngó đồn. Okay. Now write room. Ro. Sra. Sra. Change the sound to sra. So ro ru ru ngó room. Write chum. Chó. Sra. Sra. Change the sound to sra. Or so cho chu chu ngó chum. Okay. Write luong. Lo. Sra. Sra. Does not change its sound between the first and the second series. So lo lua luong luong. Write chuông. Chó. Sra. Again, sra. Does not change its sound between the first and the second series consonant. So chua chua, chuông chuông. Okay. Now write khuông. Khó. Sra. Khó sra. Khua. Khuông khuông. Write dương. Yo sra. Sra. Change its sound to sra. Okay. Or you dơ dương dương. Okay. Write chơn. Chô sra. Sra. Change its sound to sra. Or chô chơ chơn chơn. And finally, write pang. Paw. Sra. Paw sra. Pa. Pang pang. Okay. So for your assignment, please write or read each one of these words 5 times and write them 5 times as well. Okay. So now let's review our lesson 43. Again, lesson 43 in Khmer we say Merian Tisai Sabai. It's on page 47. Page 47 in Khmer we say Tumpo Tisai Saprampi. In this lesson we have learned the next sets of words that end with consonant ngo. In this section we're going to read the words without sounding them, okay? Min, lin, mong, chong, thong, luong, chuông, khuống, đấng, rừng, đồn, ruộng, chuông, dưỡng, chướng, phẳng. This first picture reads Thong Sang, and the second picture reads Dong. We have now completed lesson 43. Amalai. For more info or feedback, please visit Khmer School of San Francisco. Thanks.